Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Baraka. If it's your first time here, welcome. My channel is all about lifestyle, beauty, DIY, and fashion haul. So I've already started with the video, so let's just continue. And the primer I use is the Face Studio Prime from Maybelline. So I'm kind of brushing my brows to remove the excess powder and flatten it out because I have stubborn brows. And the pen I'm using for my brows is the Magic Eyeliner pen from COLORBOX COSMETIC. I just draw hair-like strokes in my brows, then blend it in. So I brush my hair downwards after drawing the lines and use a pen which actually moves to draw my brows. And the concealer I'm using to define my brows is the EYELINER concealer in the shade Fawn. And I'm repeating the same thing for the top of my brows, but for beginners I would advise use a concealer close to your shade or foundation close to your shade for your top brows. So I use a brush which is actually fluffy but kind of precise, to blend it, so I could really blend it out well. And guys, this is my final look. If you're loving this eye look, make sure you go check it out after watching this video, and don't forget to give me a like. And if you like what you're seeing, you could subscribe so you could get updated or anytime I post a new video. Bye.